Good morning, everyone. So today is March 19th. It is currently 9:36 a.m. I am starting my spring break week video right now. So I have been on spring break for almost a week now, and I didn't film a lot of the days because we were helping my sister move into her new house, which is the house tour I'll put in right now, which I filmed earlier today, so you guys go watch that. So ignore the mess, but like here's the laundry room. This is the kitchen. There's a lot of fun things. We literally just unloaded everything and we're working on unpacking. This is gonna be the breakfast nook. Here's the pantry, butler's pantry, guest bathroom. This is the dining room with a really cool chandelier. We have office and the living room with an amazing view, let me tell you. Look at this. Wow. Then we go upstairs. Another amazing view from this very large window. And then continuing up the stairs, we have bedroom number 3 with the twin bed. And then bedroom number 2, which I'm sleeping in, so it's a little messy. The queen bed. We have bedroom number 4, which is the spare room. Then we have the bathroom, which, hello, I just woke up, so I'm still in pajamas right now, lol. And we have the master bedroom. Got a really large bathroom, which is really cool. It's a really cool bathroom. Yep. And then finally, I'm gonna do a quick overview of the master closet. It's like huge. It goes all the way back there, but yeah. Yeah, it's a very large master closet. There's Annabelle and Casper. Yeah, that's the overview of the new house. Yay. Boom, house tour. We unloaded a lot of things and have yet to unpack a lot of things, but that's something that she's gonna do after we leave. I decided to start filming today because today is kind of like our off day. We're going to IKEA today to get a drawer set. I'm hopefully, crossing my fingers, getting a new backpack for my trip that I'm taking in the summer, which you guys will find out when it comes closer to it. I hope I haven't spilt anything, but it's to study abroad for a capstone, and it's a study abroad, so it's not in the US, so I can tell you that at least. So I wanted to get a backpack for it because I'm gonna be gone for a month, and I thought might as well. So yeah, today's our off day, and then we are leaving tomorrow. So I thought I would film the last couple days. We are in St. Louis right now, so yeah. And I also thought I would show you a little outfit of the day in the mirror because this bathroom has like amazing lighting, and this color is so pretty on the wall. It's like a nice blue color, and I'll show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the shirt that says Seek, and then it says Discomfort, so Seek Discomfort. It is merch from Yes Theory on YouTube. And then I'm wearing these ripped jeans that I got from a little boutique in Illinois, and then I'll be wearing my Adidas shoes with it. But yeah, that is my outfit of the day. I'm excited for IKEA adventures because I haven't been to IKEA in forever because we don't have an IKEA in Iowa. Yay, cool. Everyone, so it is now a couple of days later, and sun is like horrible lighting right now, But it is March 21st. It's currently 9:06 a.m. I am back in Iowa. I just decided to put like the more of the fun stuff in the vlog instead of like doing like just every single day of spring break. I'm currently on my way to pick up Pam and we're gonna hang out for today. I'm also getting my hair dyed, like touched up and everything. So I am packing up to go back to college tomorrow. So we'll see where this day takes us. And I'm driving, so I'm paying attention to the road. Okay, so right now, Pam and I are working on taking lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of pictures.
Great. It's freezing outside.
It is really cold, so like our hands are cold, but other than that, we're good. We're at the Des Moines Art Center right now, so if you follow our Instagrams, I think you're on private.
PVC0008, follow me, I'll follow back.
Are you on private?
Yes, I am.
If she accepts your friend request, she'll follow you and follow back, but you should follow our Instagrams to see some really cute instas. And it's a little money, but we're dealing with it.
Be there or be square.
That's a rectangle, but close enough. I have an egg.
Lovely egg.
Now for lunch. It's right now 11. I got chicken ramen, and what did you get?
I got the noodles. I got udon noodles.
Udon noodles. Yeah. Yep. This is our first time at Crunkwich, so upstate to come. I've never had ramen before, so this is a new one. It is now 5:50. It is literally like almost, I want to say 3.5 hours later, and my hair's done. It looks really good. I got a blonde balayage on it, so just updating the color, and it looks really nice. I'm really happy about it. Yay. Also, like, I smeared some makeup right there, but that's okay. Yeah.
Baby, hit it.